Hey guys, welcome to Tech Bites, and today in this video we're going to learn all we need to know about duplicating ourselves in Filmora 9. So it's like framing in yourself, like making a duplicate. So open a new project there and now click on the add menu. I'm going to take two videos and that's really normal. I haven't made any like duplicating videos, so now drag them to your timeline and the second video on top of the timeline, the first video. And now you have to, now let's detach the audio, as you can see now. Okay, now delete the audio is below, and now here we go. Now they're all the second won't be visible there, but it will be visible now. So we have to not add effect yet. Okay, so now yeah, we have the image mask there. Here we go, we are adding the image mask. Okay, now I'm gonna add a book type image mask which will be making it look cool, so it's not appearing the second, you know. Yeah, now it appears to be there, so it hides there, so we have to make it appear. So the second video will be back of the first video. We have to drag the first video there. So now let's see what I'll do now. So here we go. Now we have to adjust the lane. As you can see here, the lane, you have to adjust it like the how you want it to be look like, so it will be like that. And now here we go, you have it. It's not yet done, I'm just adjusting it to be the proper kind of thing you want. So now here we go, everything is ready. Now let's see another thing. Can we make it a box type of thing? Like, now let's drag the effects like this. Yeah, and here we go, we have the full screen effect now. The full video will have this effect. So as you can see here, I didn't add it because it is hiding there. Now here we go, I have the first thing now. So, and yeah, okay, now I'm finished adjusting it. Now I'm adjusting the brightness of this, but I don't think so I need it, or do I? I don't think so. Yeah, okay, yeah, I need it. Yeah, oh my god. Okay, so now as you are able to see now, it's not proper kind of thing as you want it to be. It's really proper. Now this is really simple, this is not at all hard. Yeah, it's really simple. Now I'll be making something really special. So as you can see here, I'm adding another image mask. Yeah, let me see if one of these image masks works, because it might work or it might not work. It depends on the situation, this image mask. So now if you want a square type of image mask, like the square you see duplicating yourself because of the book title thing, you are here in the right place. Now as you can see, I'm adjusting the line. I'm seeing the brightness. You have to adjust the brightness to remove the line there, so that line you are able to see between those two. So now I'm adjusting the saturation and the brightness. Yeah, now the line is kind of disappeared from the screen below. And now here we go, you have it there. Okay, now let's see what else is there to do. Yeah, now I'm adjusting the lane perfectly, so its alignment to the another lane is so perfect that no one even be able to see the lane. It will be like two of my brothers are sitting.